Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter in English Reader, and that is chapter 17. This is poem, and this poem is about a dragon. So the poem name is A Dragon's Lament. So children, I hope you all have seen dragon in movies, in stories, in cartoon, right? So dragon is a large monster with wings which can breathe out fire. And here lament means express sadness. Dragon is expressing his sadness. So why he express his sadness? So we will read and know. For being a dragon, why he is sad. So first we will know who wrote this poem. So this poem, A Dragon's Lament, is written by Jack Prelitsky. Let's know a short description about Jack Prelitsky. Jack Prelitsky was born on 8 September 1940 in Brooklyn, New York. He is an American writer of children's poetry who has published over 50 poetry collections. His famous work include The Terrible Tiger and Its Christmas. Now children, we will recite this poem. So read with me. I'm tired of being a dragon, ferocious and brimming with flame, the cause of unspeakable terror when anyone mention my name. I'm bored with my bad reputation for being a miserable brute and being routinely expected to brazenly pillage and loot. So this is one para. First, let's know some meaning of this paragraph. Here lots of hard words. So children, underline this word, ferocious. Ferocious means very aggressive, or you can say angry. Brimming. Brimming means full of something. Flame. Flame means fire. Unspeakable. That cannot be described in words. Terror. Terror means very great fear. Reputation. Reputation means name. Miserable. Miserable means very unhappy. Brute means a large, strong animal. Routinely, regularly. Brazenly pillage, boldly cause violence. So now, what the poem says. So here the dragon is tired of himself. He don't want to continue with his dragon life because he feel that people do not understand him. They think that he is very ferocious, means having a destructive nature and full of fire inside him. His name is taken with a great fear and he is bored with his bad reputation and he cause violence. In other words, boldly damage or destruction to places wherever he goes. He is often called as miserable brute, which means unhappy creature which harm other. So this is all about the first stanza. So let's read the second stanza. I wish that I weren't repulsive, despicable, ruthless and fierce, with talons designed to dismember and fangs finally fashioned to pierce. I've lost my desire for doing the deeds any dragon should do. But since I can't alter my nature, I guess I'll just terrify you. So now let's know the meaning of this paragraph. Repulsive. Repulsive means extremely unpleasant. Despicable. Despicable means hateful. Ruthless, hard or cruel. Fierce, angry. Dismember. Dismember means to cut a dead body into pieces. Fangs, long sharp tooth. Pierce, to make a hole in something with a sharp point. Desire, a strong wish. Deeds, an action. Alter, change. And terrify means to frighten somebody very much. Now let's know what the dragon says in second paragraph. So here the dragon wishes that he wasn't be repulsive. It means extremely unpleasant, hateful and hard cruel, as well as angry. He continues to say that he has claws, means horny nails, of animals or creature. So the claws are designed to cut a dead body into pieces. And he also has fangs, that is sharp pointed teeth. To pierce means to make a hole inside something with pointed thing. He states that now he has lost his desire, lost his wish to do those actions that done by a dragon. But since he cannot change his nature, his appearance, so he will continue to frighten others. So now this poem is completed. I hope you all have understood this poem. So children, what is your classwork? So your classwork is write all the word meaning which I have explained in video. This is your classwork. And in homework you write the poem and also learn it. So this is your homework. Complete it in your English Reader notebook. Till then, thank you.